See my friend, actually as we are learning in spoken English and PD class, what is the main motto of the class? You have to speak in English. But I found some problem in you. No one dare to speak in English. I am asking you question, which kind of education you expect from me so that you can speak nice English? Which thing, which material do you want so that you will speak nice English? Which material do you want, or which problem do you face to speak in English? Can you tell me please? Do you have any problem to speak in English? I am asking you. She has a confidence. She said, no, I can speak in English. I want only chance and preparation. Later on, I can speak nice English. What about you? You have to tell double. Do the improvement in your communication. No issue at all. You can modify your language and you can once again tell. See, if you talk about your own life, it is better to speak properly because already you have material. No need to find out material anywhere else. Only you have to put your material in your language so that you can speak nice English. And who one feel I want to speak nice English, that person should talk at least some sentence about his personal life. How was you in past? Right from birth to up to. How was your life? What was your hobby? How was your parent? How was your friend circle? Who was your best friend? Where did you go for roaming? Which was your memorable place? If you talk about it all, surely it is easy to speak in English. Okay, but you have confidence, can you speak in English? But I don't find your performance until in that extent. So I have little bit doubt about you. Now I am asking here, what about you? Where is problem arising with you? Can you speak in English or not?
Yes, sir, I can speak.
But what's the problem?
Sir, I can't memorize my past.
Nothing, yaar. The person who can't memorize their past, how can we believe on that person? What happened in your life, you are talking about it only. What was about your past or anybody's past? When I was so small, my father was so strict. When I was 5 years old, my father decided to enter me in public school. So my father took my admission in St. John Public School, you can say. Or you can say, my father was so serious about education. So he took my admission in nursery, then KG1, then KG2. Then I entered first standard. My school was so good. My school was so big. My teacher was so disciplined person. He taught me very nicely. You can't remember such thing. So you have to take tremendous practice to come on the stage. Numbers of time you come on the stage. Actually, I am telling you, what is the scenario of this class? Reality, I am talking about it. How will you improve your English? Which is a way to improve or modify your English. See, as you came in the class, I taught you entire tense. Not only I taught you tense, but also I taught you entire question format of tense. Okay, how is about tense? You know how to mumble it. You would like to speak in English. मी शिक्षकाला भेटलो. You want to speak in English. I met teacher. Somebody ask you question. तू शिक्षकाला भेटला का? Did you meet teacher? Okay. I taught you future tense. I taught you past perfect tense. माझ्या जीवनात वाईट प्रसंग आला होता. कसं माझ्या जीवनात वाईट प्रसंग घडला होता. You want to speak in English. Which tense is this? घडला होता. It is nothing but the past perfect tense. The bad incident happened in my life. It's sufficient to speak in English. अचानक मी पाण्यामध्ये पडलो. Then my father came. Suddenly I fell into the water. Then my father came. He was a good swimmer. He saved my life. Okay. एक दिवस माझ्या सरांनी मला सल्ला दिली की तू हुशार आहे पण तू अभ्यासावर लक्ष केंद्रित करत नाही. One day my teacher advised me you are a really clever guys, but you do not focus on study. See what I spoke here. My sir advised me, simple past tense, सल्ला दिली. मग in his language I am talking, narration part, it's a part of narration. My teacher advised me, comma, you are a clever guy, you have to focus only on study, you have to focus. Am I right? I have taught you have to. तू अभ्यासावर फोकस करणे भाग आहे. You have to focus on study. I damn sure you will be one of the good and clever student in this class. As sir said me, I took it seriously and later on I focused on my study. असं वाक्य राहील. What may be there? लहानपणी आम्ही क्रिकेट खेळायचो टाका ग्राउंडवर. यू वुड लाईक टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. इन चाइल्डहुड वी यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट ऑन टाका ग्राउंड. वी हॅड अ 5 फ्रेंड. दे वर माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. दे वर माय इंटिमेट फ्रेंड. टू बीचं वाक्य आहे. दे वर माय इंटिमेट फ्रेंड. दिस सेंटेन्स बिलॉंग्स टू बी. तसं ना, आय एम युअर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. यू आर माय फ्रेंड. Nagpur is famous. Delhi is capital of entire India. You are a clever person. My father was pioneer of mathematics. My father was pioneer of mathematics. Can you tell me meaning of it? My father was pioneer of mathematics. माझे वडील मॅथचे तज्ञ होते. To be as a main verb. One thing is there, you have to memorize all the word which I have given to you. So you may say to me, sir, I do not have word power. How can I speak in English? So it is your fault. It is not mine. I taught you entire tense. Even I taught you entire question form. I taught you all kind of question form. You go to refer my video and you go to refer your book. You find so many question form in your book. What was a question form? So easy. You would like to speak in past. तुला म्हणायचं आहे, त्याने अभ्यासावर लक्ष केंद्रित केले. ही फोकस्ड ऑन स्टडी. त्याने अभ्यासावर लक्ष दिले का? डिड ही फोकस ऑन स्टडी? कोणी अभ्यासावर लक्ष दिले? हू फोकस्ड ऑन स्टडी? हू फोकस्ड ऑन स्टडी? कारण हू इज प्लेइंग अ रोल ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. सो डोंट राईट डिड, डायरेक्ट से फोकस्ड. ओके. मग यू वुड लाईक टू से, मी त्यावेळेस पहिला क्रमांक प्राप्त करू शकलो असतो, पण मी अभ्यासक नव्हतो. I could have secured first rank, but I was not studious, but I was clever. असे वाक्य बोलायचे आहे. मग काय आहे? यू हॅव इंटेन्शन टू स्पीक अबाउट पॉसिबिलिटी. मला यश प्राप्त होऊ शकते. आय मे गेट सक्सेस. ठीक आहे ना. हिंसाचार पुन्हा उफाळू शकते. व्हायलन्स मे इरप्ट अगेन. व्हायलन्स म्हणजे हिंसाचार. मे मीन्स शक्यता असणे. इरप्ट म्हणजे काय होते? उफाळणे. अगेन मीन्स पुन्हा. नाउन फॉर्म इरप्शन. पाऊस येण्याची शक्यता होती पण आला नाही. इट वॉज लाईकली टू रेन बट इट डिड नॉट. माय फादर फॉलोड डिसिप्लिन इन माय होम. माय फादर वॉज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रिक्ट पर्सन. माय फादर फॉलोड डिसिप्लिन. यू शुड स्टिक टू युअर हॅबिट. काय विल? व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ इट? यू शुड स्टिक टू युअर हॅबिट. तुम्ही हॅबिटला चिपकायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे काय? तुम्ही हॅबिच्युअल व्हायला पाहिजे. तुम्हाला हॅबिट असायला पाहिजे. तुम्ही हॅबिट्सची प्रामाणिक असायला पाहिजे. ओके. यू आर डेली गोईंग फॉर रनिंग. यू डेली रन्स ऑन द ग्राउंड. वन डे इट वॉज हेवी रेन अँड यू सेड, यू थॉट इट इज अ हेवी रेन, हाऊ कॅन आय गो फॉर रनिंग? बट यू आर हॅबिच्युअल टू रन. तो यू वेंट इन सच अ हेवी रेन. यू मेड 2 राउंड. म्हणजे काय ते? तुम्ही 2 राउंड केले. हू वन फील आय वॉन्ट टू स्पीक. दे शुड हॅव सम इमॅजिनेशन. दे शुड हॅव सम कन्सेप्ट. ऑन द बेस ऑफ कन्सेप्ट, व्हॉट एव्हर यू इमॅजिन इन युअर माइंड, यू हॅव टू पुट इट इन कम्युनिकेशन. यू हॅव टू पुट इट इन कम्युनिकेशन. आय सेड. मोर दॅन दॅट, व्हॉट कॅन आय से टू यू? मोर दॅन दॅट, व्हॉट कॅन आय से टू यू? When you listen anybody, you observe his language so carefully. so carefully. Even I talk before you and I commit some mistake. You pick out my mistake. Where am I committing mistake? After class, tell me my mistake. Sir, you committed mistake here. When you got a knowledge to pick out the mistake, that thing, you have very good English. You studied hard on English. You got knowledge of entire construction and you knew it, how to apply all the construction in communication. Who will feel I want to speak in English, they have to spend more time on paper reading. आणि पुन्हा एक सांगतो, whatever grammar I taught you, it plays significant role in your language. Whatever means जे काही. Understood? आता whatever आहे, whenever आहे, forever आहे, moreover आहे, even though आहे. I think I may not have taught you this construction. But I said, I think I may not have taught you this construction. आपलं जे रेड कलरचं बुक आहे, which book I have provided you, gave you, you go to revise all the book. Try to understand all the construction. आता काही लोक म्हणेल, some of you may say, sir, I don't have sufficient time to learn English because I have another work. You may say to me, your any kind of education depends on English language. What to talk? Your any kind of education depends on English language. This is one of the compulsory class for any kind of further education. Because whatever you learn in your future, your language would be English. Am I right or wrong? You may go for UPSC, you may go for banking, you may go for business to be a businessman, you may go for philosopher to be a good philosopher, you may go for any public school, you may go for become a good teacher. Whatever may faculty you choose, I don't think so English is away from it. English language is part and parcel of your service, of your business, of your education. I would like to say finally to all of you, communication skill is one of the important tasks for your life. How can you progress without communication? How can you deny this topic? You can't deny this topic in your life. Whoever will deny, that person, I damn sure, may not achieve such kind of success which you expect internally from your life. Okay. So my friend, this stage, this place, this venue means ठिकाण, is very supportive place to learn communication skill, to learn English, to learn daring to speak on the stage, to learn presentation, to learn teaching. So my friend, why don't you focus? Why are you avoiding this class? Why are you avoiding study of this class? Why are you ignoring this class? Why don't you think whole day about this class? Why don't you think whole day about your study? What your study you are getting from this class? I am asking you a question in English. I am asking to Dote. Dote, tell me please. You said me sometime before, I want to be YouTuber. Athava, I want to be is correct sentence, or I would like to be YouTuber. Which one is correct? Both are correct. Both are correct. माझी इच्छा आहे, I want to be YouTuber किंवा I would like to be YouTuber. B played a role of V1 because YouTuber is not a verb. We want verb there. Understood? Which quality should be in you? You should have good communication to explain your topic before public. So this class will help you to multiply your language knowledge and gain more comfortable knowledge about communication. आपण चांगलं केव्हा राहतो जेव्हा आपण 100 लोकांना समजून सांगू शकतो. जे नॉलेज तुमच्यापाशी आहे, which talent do you have, which talent are you pursuing? If you have quality to explain your talent before public, then you are a good person. If you are a good software engineer and you don't have caliber to explain it before people, how will people believe on you? You are an excellent software engineer. You should have explanation quality. You should have perfect communication skill without any hesitation. Your voice should be very clear. There should be gap in two sentences. There should be perfect body language, good facial expression, perfect gesture and posture. Your tuning should be excellent. While talking two sentence, you scatter. Some problem is in your communication. So you have to improve it at any cost.